Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Ngayon ay gagawa na naman tayo ng isang kung paano mag-plot. Ipa-plot natin yung nasa scenario description. So, sinasabi dito na at 13:30, the vessel is at the vicinity of the west part of Panay Island on course 200 degree true na time x 10 knots with a falling tide with tidal stream speed is 06 knot. The OW observed Pusyo Port Lighthouse. It bears 330 degree relative bearing with a distance of 6 nautical mile. Plot the ship estimated position at 1400. Ngayon, una natin gagawin is ipa-plot natin yung true bearing. Sabi sa description na may relative bearing siya. So, i-compute natin yung relative bearing at saka true bearing. Ang kanyang true bearing is 200 degree true. At ang relative bearing niya ay 330. So, i-add mo lang yan. Tapos, ang resulta ay 530 degree. So, wala namang 530 degree sa compass repeater. Kaya, i-minus mo siya sa 360 degree. Kaya makakakuha tayo ng 170 degree true. So ngayon, ipa-plot natin siya 170 degree true sa Pusyo Port. 170. Ayan. Tapos, sabi dito is nasa 6 nautical miles na distansya. So, kukuha tayo ng 6 nautical mile. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nautical mile. Ayan. Put an arc. Tapos, sunod nating kunin is ang tapos natin gawin ipa-plot natin yung true bearing na 200 degree true na may 10 knots. So 200 degree Ayan. degree. So ito yung posisyon natin. Nasa sa oras na 1300 hours. So, itong linya na to is 170 degree true. At ito naman is 200 degree true. Na may bilis na 10 knots. Sunod natin gagawin is kukunin natin yung deck reckoning na 1300s to 1400s hours. So ang pagitan niyan is 30 minutes o half of an hour. Sabi dito 10 knots. So half of 10 knots is 5 knots. So kukunin natin yung 5 knots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knots from 1330 pala to to 1400s. So dito hours. So, sunod natin kunin is ang falling tide na may falling tide na 0.6. So, half of 0.6 is 0.3 kasi half of because 30 minutes lang. So kukunin natin yung 0.3 knots. 1, 2, 3. Una pala natin gagawin is yung ipa-plot pala natin yung falling tides. Ito yung falling tides. Tsaka natin yung 0.3. estimated position at 1400 hours. Ito yung fixed position ng 1400 hours. Ito yung fixed position na nasa 1330 hours. So ngayon, panghuli is ang pagkuha ng latitude at longitude ng longitude no lat at long ng 1330, latitude at longitude ng 1400 hours. Lat niya is 122 degree dito 50.2 lat 122 degree 50.2 minutes. So ang kanyang longitude is 122 na dito na side. Dito naman na side is 121. So ang bilang natin dito is 121 degree and 48 minutes. 49.3 49.3 121 degree 49.3 minutes. Dito naman tayo sa 1400 hours. Lat at longitude niya. Ang latitude niya ay lat niya ay 122 122 11 12 12.2 122 degree 12.2 minutes. Longitude is 121 at 46 47 48.1 121 degree 12.2 48.1 minutes. So, yun lang po. Sana'y may natutunan kayo. Please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.